My name is Paul Adams. I'm the CEO of Columbia Home Services. A lot of contractors do not offer financing. With 82 million Americans with tapped out credit cards, third-party financing is really paramount. What I would tell a contractor today is if you don't offer financing, you're selling yourself short. We looked at options in early 2023, and Sunnova was a no-brainer. Sunnova has the programs and the account management to keep up with those pricing changes. I would tell any contractor that Sunnova gets it right. Sunnova always puts the contractor first. They assign me an account executive from day one. Each one of my branch offices can deal directly with people, where you don't have to rely on some sort of technology or e-ticket. We just pick up the phone, we talk to somebody, and we talk it through. Our account executive takes care of us, and that makes the partnership that much better. And I truly believe that the leadership in the accessory loan division understands how important it is to be contractor-centric. It's not just about pushing the loan product, it's about understanding my business. I'm super optimistic about Sunnova and the future.